understand what's
Yeah.
the 2-minute chat, I know you're something.
I genuinely feel like maybe, guys, we need to start having conversations even with our AI apps. You know, for instance, it's a good and a bad thing, you know, that my AI knows a lot about me, but it also helps me in certain spheres and spaces. And
okay, to a person like me, what's an AI?
So AI is, I forgot the correct term. It's artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Right? So it's like, I don't want to say an iPhone because what I say I get a lot of hate. But okay, so it's basically like, you know how iPhones have Siri, right?
Okay.
Yes, it could be a voice that can make life easier. It could be like a virtual assistant for your phone.
Okay.
But it also packs a lot of information, you know?
Okay.
Because I can ask Siri anything and Siri will be able to answer me. However, now AI is a better version because it can actually do things for us. For instance, I don't know how to do ECV, right? Things that back in the day people used to have to go and pay for and things like that. You speak to your AI, and then if there's information, or you've got whatever information, you literally upload it into the app. You tell the app, ngifuna ECV yemsebenzi lo so. Ngifuna ungendele ibe so. Ngaleyo ndlela kusibona bato khona uyi-understanda kangcono. Now amaphepha lawa ahambisana nayo, and then you're done. It will generate everything for you.
But aren't you thinking laziness and job opportunities is creating more job opportunities?
Whose job? Because the laziness is everything. I'm not trying to say people are lazy.
No, but technology on its own, I think ibulala amathuba emsebenzi. And lamanye, not all of them.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
That is coming from a place of fear.
Yeah, kind of.
And that already has told me so much about why you don't know anything about AI, because you are resisting. So the issue starts with resisting, you know. But resistance comes from a place of fear, of which I understand. So I can give you credit on that. You know, because let's be honest, technology has made our lives so much easier, you know.
Okay. But you're going to see umsebenzi ukhona lohambile wala.
No, mara nangabe ukuthi mina umuntu lofuna ukuthi ngifuna umuntu lokucleana la endlini anginamsebenzi ukuthi uyawasha.
No, I'm just giving an example. Iletha lamanye amathuba emsebenzi but imosha amathuba